My name's Laura. I work for Healthy and Happy. We've been down at the Clydesmill Community Garden and we have had a glut of green tomatoes. So we have decided to try and do various things with them. First thing we are planning on doing is making some green tomato chutney. It's really nice and easy to do. I managed to get all the ingredients for about a £5, and it's made enough to last you a lifetime. So here we go. These are the ingredients that you'll need for 2 kilograms of green tomatoes. You'll need 2 kilograms of red onions, 300 grams of raisins, 6 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper and 4 teaspoons of sea salt. You'll also need 1000 grams of brown sugar and 2 litres of malt vinegar. So you finely chop the garlic and then just roughly cut up the raisins, onions and green tomatoes, and then basically shove it all in a pot and turn it on, and once it's boiling, turn it down to a low simmer, leave it uncovered, and gently stir it every so often. So just stirring it whilst it's heating up, mixing all the sugar in and the vinegar. I have done this for, I've had 2 kilograms of tomatoes, but actually I only have a pot big enough for 1 kilogram. So all you need to do is, if you've got less tomatoes, is basically just half all the ingredients to match. So if you are going down to 1 kilogram of tomatoes, you do 1 kilograms of onions, and so on and so on. So we're just now waiting for this to boil. So after a while it starts looking like this. Just keep stirring it. And once the liquid and it's reduced, then you can start dishing it up into little jars. Best thing to do with these is just properly sterilise them with hot water, so that you know that they are clean and ready to take your chutney. And so there we have it, the finished article. Decent consistency for chutney. That took a wee while to get to that point. It was about 2 hours on a low simmer, stirring occasionally. So it does take a wee while to do. So settle in for the evening and get that done. Chutney is awesome. It can be used for various things. Sandwiches, goes particularly well with cheese, and so you can make it, and also you can send it for Christmas presents. And so there you go. From that to that. Hope you enjoy it.